Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install apps from unknown sources on the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So first open the settings, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Here scroll down again and turn off auto blocker. Confirm the action with your PIN or fingerprint. I will use PIN. By default, AutoBlocker will turn back on automatically after 30 minutes for better security. You can disable this option here if you want to manage it manually. Now let's go to the next step. Tap on More Security Settings, scroll down and tap on Install Unknown Apps. And now select app you want to use to install APK files such as Chrome or Gmail, My Files or Samsung browser. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more smartphone tips and tutorials. Bye.